this is the example of the drawing which we are trying to create. So we have the mast or column, we have the foundation, we have the track, and our ground profile. Now I will have a typical mast of 8 meters long and 300 millimeters wide, and my foundation will have a diameter of half a meter and maybe a meter depth, so I'll put 1 there and 0.5 there. So that's my foundation. And also I need my track. I will also add a mast base, so this can be the base of the mast. There you go. So we have our mast, our foundation, and our track. To make the cells, the first thing to do is to identify the cell origin. So for the first one, I will make that point as my point of origin, and then we'll select them all. Now come to place a cell, browse. You can create a new file for your cells. Then say create. So now you have your mast there as a cell. For your second one, you need to move the point of origin. So I'll come here, cell origin, put it in the middle, and I will select them. And again, I will create a second cell. I will name it foundation. And finally is my tracks. Okay, so now I have my cells already here. So now I can delete these items here and close. So now let's say if I want to create a new drawing, place an active cell, then I choose, so I can bring in the mast. So that's my mast there. I place my mast, then I bring my foundation, I bring it there, then I bring my tracks, and I can put one and second track. Maybe I can have a mast on the other side as well, so I can have it there, and I can put my foundation. So you can see it's very easy once it's all set. So that's how you can use the cells. Now let's say if you're given a ground profile, for example, let's say if the ground goes something like that, okay, then you can bring your first foundation somewhere there, and your second foundation somewhere there, and your mast can go in there, your other mast can come here, and then your track, if you have two tracks, you can have one track there and one track there. You can also stretch your mask. So for example, if I want that to be some height as that, use the fence tool, put the fence there, then that's a stretch. So use the stretch, then say use fence, then you can pick up the height, then enter. You can leave it there. Now today we're covering 2D cells, then we'll cover 3D cells on our next lesson. Thank you.